Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to edit a line chart in Google Docs. So let's started. At first, we open our Docs file. Now edit line chart is now for click. Now click for the link chart option and click for the open source option. Now then we show the is line chart and issue and for edited. Now click for the 3 dot option and click for the edit chart option. Then we can see then click for the customize option and click for the chart style option and click for the border color option. Then choose color and click for the border color and click for the font style option and click for the array. Now click for the inverted documents option and click for the update option. That's okay. Then issue the edited line chart in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my